This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sarah Murray and less than bedroom greater than Lorna Murray. Open Sat 4 nights 12-2. Beautiful view home in desirable close-in area. Home features updated kitchen west/stainless steel appliances/new engineered hardwood floors/new paint. Updated baths, high ceilings, versatile floor plan. Formal living west/fireplace and French doors could be fourth bedroom or den, large master suite and bath. Corner lot west/erritorial views. Relax on the deck sitting amongst the fir, maple, pear and palm trees overlooking the LG yard. Minutes to walking trails, school, shopping and restaurants. Square feet is 1923. For more information, review the details below.